wanna say Rocky. Ay, papá.
No lo vas a tirar ahorita.
¿Eh?
No lo vas a tirar ahorita.
¿Tú quieres?
Como 4 minutes.
4 minutes? Or 40 minutes? You like the bitter one.
Not entirely clear what reset everything means.
Oh, I was doing the rocket launch. I don't know who is this. Comment right now. Put 3 lights in the middle. Light at 10 lights. We need 10 lights and 1K subscribers. We need 10K subscribers and a lot. We need 45 minutes a rocket launch.
And we have movement. Liftoff of Starship on Flight 9.
Yeah.
For just the
What's
9th
that?
time, all Starship.
The rocket launch is right here somewhere. Rocket launch. No need. ¿Ahorita, hijo? Pues no oyó nada.
No.
¿Eh? It's the rocket launch. Si está hasta vuelalo.
No veo nada.
Yo no veo nada. Yo veo uno. Yo veo pizza allí. No. Where is it?
Yo no.
Ya veo uno una vez. ¡Mira, papá!
Ah, sí.
The rocket launch. At 2025. We see you still. Oh my gosh. I see it still. You see that, guys? It's on camera. Don't be bolding again. It's right there.
Oi?
You hear that, guys?
You hear that?
Yes? You hear that? Oh my gosh. The rocket launch. Woo! Oh, I hear that. I hear that. That's a rocket launch. Where is it? I don't know what's the rocket. And we just end this life today. Good job at Benny Hill. Good job. At Benny Hill. I give you money. Good job. Donate fast. Donate. Donate now. Please donate, guys. Please donate. I beg you. Okay, we are in the. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, guys. How I do it? Here.